Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Foodie on Keto. We are gonna spice up your evening tonight
How?
because we are going to cook something Chindian,
Chindian
Chinese plus Indian chili chicken.
chili chicken, tender, succulent, and juicy chicken drumsticks cooked in hot and spicy sauces.
I'm already so hot.
I can feel the temperature soaring in here.
Then let's put the camera off.
And cook.
See ya.
Alright, so here I've got 6 sexy chicken drumsticks with me. To this I'm going to throw some fresh ginger and garlic paste, fresh lemon juice, some salt to taste, white pepper powder. You can use black pepper if you don't have white, half a beaten egg, and a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. You can use coconut aminos or whatsoever you like. I'm gonna stick to soy, and let's give it a good massage. I know I excel at it. Once you are done, keep the marinade aside for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, it's the time to heat our wok. And once the wok is hot, I'm gonna gently place the chicken drumsticks onto it. At this time it's on high heat, and I wanna make sure that the drumsticks are golden brown from all sides. And if you want to get dirty, now is the time. Of course you can use your hands. Just like this. And after cooking the lovely drumsticks for about 7 minutes, now is the time to change the sides. Let's make sure that the other side is as golden brown as this side. So I'm gonna cook this for another 5 to 7 minutes, and after that, let's cover the lid and make sure the drumsticks are cooked well enough. And after 10 more minutes, this is how sexy they look. Oh yes. And to take this to another level, I'm gonna throw half a medium-sized red chopped onion. And to make it more colorful, let's add 2 Asian green chilies and yellow, red and green bell peppers or capsicum, whatever you call it. Throw some salt as per your taste and some black pepper powder. Let the veggies cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. We want them crisp. Remember, we don't want our veggies to be overcooked, so just 2 to 3 minutes is good enough. And after that, let's add 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, some hot jalapeno sauce, and some very hot Caribbean sauce. Now you can add any other hot sauces you have, just make sure they are low in carbs. Now these sauces will definitely make your drumsticks juicy. And after 2 minutes, I'm gonna throw some fresh scallions and we are done. And this is what we referred as piping and hot, sizzling and juicy, crispy and chilly chicken drumsticks. If you know me, you know very well that I was more than happy to eat it direct from the wok, but it's not just about me. Buon appetito!
One, two, three, start.
It's getting hot in here, so you better press up here.